Hello everyone, welcome you all for lecture 2 of course Selenium with Java. Here we will learn introduction of Java. So let's start now. These are the outlines for today's lecture. First is history of Java, then versions of Java, features of Java, then description of JDK, Java Development Kit, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So let's start with history of Java. What is Java? What is Java first of all? Java is a programming language like other C, C++, Ruby, Python, etc. Java is a programming language and it is a most popular programming language. Okay? Most popular programming language. Now, why it's named Java? Why it's named Java? Basically, Java is a type of coffee from Indonesia country. So it was taken from the name of coffee. Okay. We'll talk about the history. Java is initially developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Mike Sheridan. The team of these persons were called Green Team. So this Green Team developed Java at Sun Microsystem in 1991. Okay. The Green Team means there are three persons, James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Mike Sheridan. All together they developed Java at Sun Microsystem in 1991. As Green Team has developed this, that's why initially name was Green Top. As Green Team has developed it, that's why initially name was Green Top. After that, it was renamed to Oak. What is Oak? Oak was an oak tree, means symbol of strength. Means symbol of strength. But soon they realized that Oak was registered trademark of another company. Hence, it was renamed to Java in 1995. Okay, so that was a short history of Java. Next is versions of Java. Okay, according to advancements, versions are changes. So initially it was alpha and beta, then 1.0, 1.1. JDK Java Development Kit. When you want to install Java, then you have to install the JDK, the full Java Development Kit. Okay. So JDK Alpha Beta, then JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1, J2 SE 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 5.0, SE 6, SE7, SE 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are different types of versions up to 17. Okay. So this is all about the Java versions. Now next is why Java? Why Java? What is a special feature of Java? Okay. So Java is most popular language. What is the reason? First of all, it is free and open source. Java is free and open source. Means you can install Java without spending a single money. It's a freely available. Okay, that is the best feature. Next, Java language is very easy to understand, very simple. It is high level programming language. It's a high level programming language. High level programming language means it is not machine friendly. It is user friendly. Compiler convert it in bytecode. Compiler convert in bytecode. After that, using JVM, Java Virtual Machines are there that convert in machine code. Directly source code is not converted in the machine code. That's why it's a high level programming language. It's a OOP language, object oriented. It's a platform independent. Platform independent means, platform means, what do you mean by platform? Platform means different type of OS. Okay. Different type of OS means some can have Linux, some can have Windows. So different types of OS. Okay. And if like in other languages which are low level language, those are platform dependent, means according to OS. But Java is platform independent. How? How Java is platform independent? See, first you write code in Java. First you write code in Java. That is called Java source code. That is called Java source code. Whatever you are writing code is called Java source code. Okay. That is saved with Java extension, .java. Then it is compiled by Java C. It is compiled by Java C. I'm writing in short Java C. It's compiled by Java C. Java C, and that is Java compiler, convert it into bytecode, or you can say in intermediate language. Okay, it converts it in bytecode, or we can say dot class extension. Okay. So this is up to here. It is platform independent. After this bytecode conversion, then there are JVM, Java virtual machines. There are JVM, Java virtual machine, that is platform dependent. Java virtual machine, that is platform dependent. Those Java virtual machine convert the bytecode into convert the bytecode into machine code. Bytecode into machine code. These JVM, Java virtual machines, convert the bytecode into machine code. Means it is making Java a platform independent. Okay. Okay. Again, listen carefully. When you install Java, when you install Java, then according to your OS, if you are having Linux, so JVM will be installed according to your OS. If you are having Windows, then this JVM is installed according to Windows. When you have other OS, JVM is installed according to OS. So JVM are platform dependent. So when you install Java, then according to OS, JVM install. Okay. So when you start programming, that is called source code dot Java extension. First, Java source code compiled by Java compiler, convert it in dot class file or byte. Okay. So up to here it is platform independent. Why? A Java virtual machine, those are platform dependent. Means according to OS, these Java virtual machines convert this code into machine code. So here it is converting into low level language, not directly. Directly it is not converting in low level language. It is converting in low level language, the machine language to the JVM. So main important part of JDK is JVM, Java virtual machine, which makes Java platform independent. Because means Java source code doesn't matter which type of OS you are having. Okay? Java source code is easy to understand by any OS. Doesn't matter. Because when you install Java, JVM installed according to your OS, and the role of JVM is to convert this bytecode into machine code. So JVM makes the Java platform independent, and that is the most important feature of Java. Means you don't need to think which type of OS you are having in your system. You don't need to think which type of OS you are having in your system. So this is how Java becomes platform independent. It is definitely secure, robust. Robust means it can handle easily the runtime error, executions error. So Java is a robust language. Okay. It is secure language. Robust language means automatic garbage collection happens in Java. Automatic garbage collection happens in Java. It is portable language. So due to these features, all these features, Java is very much popular language. Java is very much popular. There are more than 930 million JRE, Java runtime environment. More than 930 million JRE downloads every year. And more than billion mobile phones run Java in today's age. So Java is very much important language. Okay, that is the features of Java. Next is Java Development Kit. Means if you want to run Java in your system, then you have to install JDK. What is JDK? JDK is Java Development Kit. It is a superset of Java runtime environment. It contains JVM, Java Virtual Machine, Java Development Tools, set of libraries, compilers, loader, jar files, Java document, etc. So there are three words: JDK, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, means it provides libraries, Java virtual machines, and other components to run applets, or we can say applications. So see here. First of all, you understand the concept of JVM. JVM, Java Virtual Machines. JVM is Java Virtual Machine, well known. It converts the bytecode into machine code. It makes Java platform independent. So Java Virtual Machines clear to everyone? Okay. That is first one, JVM. Next, if adding some set of libraries, adding set of libraries. Set of libraries means jar files. We have to install the jar files. Okay, set of libraries, I'm writing in short. Okay, or any other things files required. Okay, any other files required. So this is any other file required. Okay, and jar file libraries. This combination of these three is called JRE. Combination of these three is called Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which convert bytecode to machine code plus library, set of libraries, set of jar files, or any other file required. Okay, for running the in the environment, this is called JRE. Okay, this is called JRE. So term JRE is also clear. Okay, when we work in the Java runtime environment, what is inside that? Java virtual machine, set of libraries. Okay, if some development tools added here, development tools, I'm writing in short, development tools. Tools means compiler, okay, compiler, Java document, whatever, development tool. Okay, development tool. If development tools are also added, whole becomes JDK. This wholes become JDK, Java Development Kit. This whole becomes JDK, Java Development Kit. Okay. So first is JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which converts your intermediate code or white code into machine code, makes Java platform independent. If adding some set of libraries, it becomes JRE, Java Runtime Environment. If adding libraries, it becomes Java Runtime Environment. Okay. Or other files, okay. Jar files, documents files, loader interpreter, etc. We will add some tools, development tools. Then it becomes JDK. So JDK is everything combined. JRE is JDK is superset of JRE. JRE is a big one. JDK is big one, then JRE, then JVM. Okay. Okay. Means first is JVM, after JVM, JRE, and after JRE, there is JDK like that. Okay. So in this way, we have learned today what is Java, history of Java, features of Java. Then we have learned the concept, how Java is platform independent, why Java is so popular, and the terms JDK, JRE, and JVM. Okay. So thank you so much. We'll meet in next lecture. Take care. Bye.